Example number 10, the assembly of a certain component for television sets has been done by 2 skilled workers, each of whom is paid 4 peso per hour and can produce 10 units per hour as a group. Of the 10 units, 1 will be defective and will have to be discarded at a material loss of 2 pesos and 50 centavos. It has been proposed that this operation could be done by 3 persons of lesser skill who could be paid only 3 pesos and 50 centavos per hour, and who as a group could complete 13 units per hour. It is estimated that the number of defects per hour would not be changed if this alternative procedure is used. Which procedure will you recommend and how much is the unit cost of this procedure? So for number 10, we're going to compare 2 skilled workers and 3 less skilled workers. So first, let's solve for the 2 skilled workers. So, ano ang ating gagastusin kapag ito ang ating pinili? So, sabi dito, nagbabayad ka daw ng 4 peso per hour each kapag 2 skilled workers. So, ibig sabihin, nagbabayad ka ng labor. So, lagay natin dito is labor is equal to 4 pesos. Ayan. Times 2 kasi dalawa sila. So, this is equal to 8 pesos. Tapos, sinabi din na meron kang material loss na 2 pesos and 50 centavos. So, isama natin siya dun sa gastos. Material loss is 2 pesos and 50 centavos. Then, wala na naman tayo ibang gagastusin. So, i-total na natin ito. We have 10 pesos and 50 centavos. But then, it is said that the 2 skilled worker as a group could produce 10 units per hour. So, itong gastos natin na 10 pesos and 50 centavos, i-divide natin dun sa napoproduce nila. So, unit cost $10 pesos and 50 centavos divide by 10. And this is equal to 1 pesos and 0 and 5 centavos per unit. So, this is per unit. So, how about kapag yung 3 less skilled workers naman ang ating pinili? So, tanggalin lang muna natin ito. Palitan natin ng ibang table. So, this one. So, kapag si tatlong less skilled worker, magbabayad pa rin tayo ng labor. Pero, mas mura siya, tama? Kasi, 3 pesos and 50 centavos lang yung binabayad mo sa kanya per hour. Unlike kanina, 4 pesos. So, ilagay natin dito is 3 pesos and 50 cents. Pero, tatlo sila, kaya times 3. So, this is equal to 10 pesos and 50 centavos. Tapos, sinabi rin na number of defects would not be changed. Ibig sabihin, meron ka pa ring material loss. So, material loss is equal to 2 pesos and 50 centavos. Wala na tayong ibang gastos, kaya i-total na natin. So, we have 13 pesos. So, para ma-compute natin yung unit cost, so, yung unit cost natin, yung total na gastos na 13 pesos, divide natin kung ilan yung napoproduce nung tatlo as a group. So, ilan ba ang sinabi sa problem? As a group could complete 13 units. So, divide by 13. And then, this is equal to 1 peso per unit. So, this is again per unit. So, ibalik natin yung table kanina nung 2 skilled worker. So, ayan. So, tanggalin na natin itong problem. So, kay 2 skilled worker at kay 3 less skilled worker. So, makikita nyo, mas mura ang mapoproduce nung tatlong less skilled worker. So, ano ang magiging sagot natin base sa ating analysis? Therefore, the 3 less skilled worker is recommended, which cost 1 peso per unit.